Hi, this is me, Steven. I am going to be jump roping for you today. Actually, I'm going to be doing gymnastics. Oh my god, and jump roping. Oh my god, what an episode. A lot of people better watch it. Because what an episode this is. 3. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aw. Hey, I got one more. One. Oh, man. Something. Oh. Oh, my God. Can't believe I just did that in front of the whole entire internet. Well, no one really watches my videos, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I missed 7. Now to the somersault arena, please. Somersault soft couch. It's amazing. You're gonna have to watch it because it's amazing. Starting position. Ta-da! Ow. Ow. I can't get up. Good. Gonna try that again. Ta-da! Oh. I'm okay. Oh no, I have viewers. Bye.